Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. In the last video, we have done how to update a product. In the next video, today video, we are going to learn how to delete a product. Okay, in the Shopify admin API using Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here in the last video, we have done the update product. So please, you have to follow the previous video, how I set up the Node.js, how I installed the npm packages. So you need to follow that one. Okay, so this part is done. That is updating a product. So let me comment this section. So this is done. Okay, now I'm going to delete a product. Okay, this is save. Let's go to the delete one. So I think delete product is here. So let me call this one. So we need to pass the ID over here. Okay, so here we have to go with this one function to delete. So let's go and just add the function to delete. Okay, so here we require the product ID to delete, and the shopify.product.delete will help you to delete that product on the behalf of ID. That product deleted successfully. Okay, and here we need to pass the ID. So let's check out the ID of that one. So I'm going to delete that product which is currently here. Okay, so let's see. Here I'm going to putting my ID. Let's save it, try to run it. Okay, so here we go with the control C. Let's start the server node. What's it's app now, app.js. Let's try to run, and product deleted successfully, empty array. And here you can see, if I try to load, you can see that the product is not there. You can see it's redirected to the products collection. There is no product at this address. And if I go to the inventory, here you can see there is collection. Where is products? That product is not there. So product is deleted successfully. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create products from the third party URL. You can say we have some of the URLs, and we are going to use that URL to create products in the Shopify admin store. So how we are going to do that, we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.